girl Caira. I know it's been a while, but today we are back to juicing. So I've never had this combination, but it should be interesting. We're gonna be doing a blueberry and yellow watermelon juice. These blueberries all came from my Mommom's garden. They've been cleaned. Probably not gonna use all of these, but I just wanted to wash them off so I could have some to eat too. Now, watermelon season is probably almost over. It's like August 21st today. So by the time I post this, y'all might be beat. I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and actually cut this watermelon up real quick first. You don't really need to cut up your watermelon that much when you're juicing it. And then when you have a good juicer, like my good Namawell J2 right here, it can break down a whole apple. What's the point of the cutting board, right? The yellow watermelon is so good, you guys. If you have not had a chance to try it, at least you should definitely try your best next year probably. And yes, I know this does not have seeds in it. I can see that, okay? But let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm still gonna make it and drink it, okay? I have a really big watermelon over here. It's not a yellow one, it's a regular red watermelon, but it is seeded. I think this juice is actually gonna be really good. Thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten on my videos. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I am back. I know I kind of disappeared for quite a bit. There's just been a lot going on, you guys, between being an event planner and moving. A lot. Delicious. That is so good. So here's our here's our yellow watermelon. So here's our watermelon, you guys. I'm kind of upset I don't have any type of herb, like some mint or something like that. I feel like will really be good, but that's okay. Maybe next time. Here we have our clean, beautiful juicer. All right, so we got 1 cup, 2, 3. We'll do one more. 4 cups of blueberries. Let's go ahead and juice this up on its own first and see what it comes up with. So I actually can't believe that it even made this much. This is a lot. 16 ounces of blueberry juice. Wow, this is so thick. Like, you can just tell by the way it moves. All right, so now let's go ahead and get our watermelon on here because we definitely need something to thin this out. The watermelon juice is in like 2 seconds. Still coming out purple because of all of the blueberries are just so thick that it's just all so creamy in there still. So this juice is purple. This is honestly probably great on its own right here without even using this because this is probably like the perfect ratio of blueberry juice to watermelon juice. I'm really excited to try this actually. That's a bit concerning. That's the one thing that I'll say is when you do fruits that are really creamy, like it'll start to kind of get not stuck in the top, but it'll kind of start to like pulverize what's up here in the hopper. Now, when I just did that reverse, it kind of fixed it, but I'm still gonna take a video so you guys may be able to see it. So you see how it's kind of like mushing up over here. All right, so while that's doing that, let's go ahead and pour this into a jar. You guys, I really might just leave this juice like this because I really believe that this is probably perfect. So let's put this to the side for a second and finish up what we got going on over here. So I think I'm just gonna honestly pour what's left in here with the blueberry juice. We'll take it from there. So now let's head over to the sun and take us a sip. This is the one that's mostly the yellow watermelon and blueberry. So clearly I'm crouched down, but this is where the good lighting is. So let's take our little taste test. Look at him. Look at him. Delicious. This is so light. Remember, this is just the remnants from the juicer from me juicing the blueberries. Probably like, I can't even say it, 4 cups of blueberries at all. So you guys, I don't know what to tell you, but it's delicious, okay? Make sure that you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.